Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to the video. So today we are learning interpolation in Angular 9. So as you are familiar with these things, this is a component and here we have a TypeScript file and here we have a HTML file. Now what I have done here, like I have a variable and I have the value for the variable as you can see. Now interpolation means that you have to bind this value from the class and you need to get it into the HTML. So this value a we are fetching it in the HTML. So this is known as the interpolation. For this what we have to do, it is very easy. We just have to put the double curly braces and inside that we have to write the variable name, that is a. So let's check it in the browser what is coming. Like in HTML we have just written welcome. So check this out, this welcome to is coming from the HTML and this part fit tag body is coming from the TypeScript file. So this is known as the interpolation. What else we can do in the interpolation, I will show you. Like if this is any integer and it has some value 4 or 3, 4, okay, now it will do the necessary changes here also. So we have saved it. See, welcome to 4. Now what else you can do with the interpolation is that you can add here, means you can do mathematical operation inside interpolation. See, it is giving the value 6. So this is also important thing you need to remember, that we can do the mathematical calculation on the interpolation. Also if it is an like string, like say this fit tag. Now if we will do addition, we will see what happens. See, we have to save this. Okay, we have saved it. See, it is saying undefined, so it will not add any string. Okay, so it can do mathematical calculations, and if we have to add the string, we have to write it in the string format and then we have to just put plus sign. So this will also do the concatenation. So for that it should be like, if this is a string, the another whatever we write here, it should be in the same format. This I want to show you. Like if it is an integer, it should be integer. If it's a string, then it should be string, then it will concatenate also. So these function we can do in the interpolation while accessing the file. This is also called the one-way data binding, because data is coming from the class into the front end HTML. So thank you guys. If you have any question, you can leave it on the comment section.